When can you call yourself a full stack developer? What do you need to learn to become a full stack developer in 2025? Here you'll have a full roadmap to become a full stack developer in 2025. Full stack developer is one of the most demanding role in the tech industry. If you can build an amazing web application from the start to finish, then people are looking for you. And you can also earn a lump sum amount using a laptop with internet access. So what exactly is a full stack developer? In simple terms, a full stack developer is someone who can work on both front-end and back-end. From designing user interface to building the working process, a full stack developer can handle the entire application. Let's talk about the skills you need to become a full stack developer. First, you should start with the front-end basics. You must learn HTML to create the web page structure and CSS to styling the page. Then you must learn JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the languages that can be used in both front-end and back-end. You can create functionality of the front-end and you can also build back-end with Node.js. I'll come to the Node.js part later on. Before that, you need to be a master of front-end frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular to create a modern and dynamic website. Currently, React and its frameworks are trending. Now come to the back-end part. In 2025, you must know how to build a REST API and a WebSocket. For that, you should have knowledge in Node.js, Express.js, and Nest.js. You can also use Python's popular framework Django for building backend of your website. For building a future-proof web application, you need a powerful database. For that, you need to learn relational database like MySQL and PostgreSQL. To handle large amount of data, you can use a NoSQL database. MongoDB is one of the top choice in the NoSQL field. Full stack developers manage lot of stuff at the same time. To track and manage changes in your code, you need to learn to use Git and platform like GitHub. It saves lot of time and energy. When an application is ready, most clients are asking to host it online. To host a modern web application, you need to use cloud services like AWS, GCP, or Azure. From setting the cloud environment to deploy the application, you need to learn a lot of stuff at the same time. But initially, I suggest to use Vercel or AWS Amplify like services to deploy your application with a few clicks. In the end, you have to learn a lot of stuff to become a full stack developer. But don't worry, I suggest you to start from today with the basis of HTML and focus on one skill at a time. You can't learn everything at once. You have to give a dedicated time and energy to become a full stack developer. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Drop your question in the comment below. I will see you in the next video.